In this video, we shall discuss conversions, namely conversions of kg to grams, liters to milliliters, and kilometers, meters, etc. I suggest to first pause the video and try this out, and then revisit the video and check whether you have done those correctly or not. The very first is 2 kg 500 gram equal to dash gram. Now we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram or 1000 g. So 2 kg 500 gram. So here it's 2 kg can be written as 2 into 1000, which is equal to 2000. So the first of all, we know that this 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram. As because 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, so 2 kg will be equal to 2000 gram. And there is one extra 500 gram attached to it. So what we will do, we will add 500 gram to 2000 gram. Please remember, only numbers with same units can be added. You cannot add 2 kg to 500 gram directly and make this 500 to kg or gram. This is totally wrong. This is wrong. You cannot add kg with gram. So this is wrong. You cannot add kg. You have to convert both the elements to same unit, then only addition can be done. So 2000 plus 500 gram is equal to 2500 gram. So this is equal to 2500 gram. So this is the answer to the first question. The second question is asking 2 kg 50 gram. 2 kg means, as we have already found, that 2 kg equal to 2000 gram and we have 50 gram. So this will be equal to 2050 gram. 2050 gram. So these are the two questions related to your measurement of weight, that is kg and gram. You should be able to reconvert or go the reverse way, that is, you should be able to convert these numbers expressed in grams or these weights expressed in gram to the combination of kg and gram. Because if you are asked how much kg is 2050, how much kg and gram is 2050 grams, how will you do that? So let us do the first one. So 2500 gram. So we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. It is one and the same thing as this. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Therefore 2 kg 5000 gram will be equal to, have to divide this 2500 gram by 1000. What you will get? 1000 to the 2000. What will be the remainder? 500 will be the remainder. So the quotient expresses the kg and the remainder expresses the gram. So this will be equal to 2 kg 500 gram. You can break any given grams into kg and grams. Similarly, for here, for question number, for this particular conversion, 2050 gram, divide 2050 by 1000. What we will get? Again 1000 to the 2000. This is the nearest multiple we can get. 1003 will be 3000, which will be greater than 2050. Carrying out the subtraction, this is 2 kg and 50 gram. So this is going to be 2 kg 50 gram. This is 2 kg 500 gram. So we see that the other way around also we are arriving at the same answer, 2500 2 kg 500 gram. At this point of time, I want to tell you that you should be able to arrive at the answer without doing these division in exams. If you carry out this division, you will run out of time. You see over here, if you go from 2 kg to 500 gram, You should do this in your head, in your mind, without doing actual calculation, that 2 kg equal to 2000 gram and 2000 plus 500 should be equal to 2500 gram, and 2 kg 50 gram is equal to 2000 plus 50 gram. This calculation should go inside your head, and for the reverse way you should be able to carry out this particular thing. See, 2500 gram can be written as 2000 gram. When you write this down, when you speak this figure out, what do you say? 2500. So there is 2000 element over here, so 2000 and 500. This is gram, this is gram. So this 2000 gram, as because 1000 gram equal to 1 kg, 2000 gram will be equal to 2 kg and 500 gram will be equal to 500 gram. So this calculation should go in your head. Similarly, 2050 gram is equal to 2000 gram plus 50 gram, which is equal to again 2 kg, and here only 50. So this should go in your head. I also want to mention at this point of time that generally students mistake this 2050 gram and they would convert that to 2500 gram. So 2500 gram equal to 2 kg 500 gram, whereas 2 kg 50 gram is equal to 2050 gram. Please see the contrast over here. They seems to be same, but there is a difference. Please pay attention and try to understand that these two are different. This is 2050 gram, this is 2500 gram. Generally student creates mistake over here, so they should practice this often. I suggest teachers and parents to give such type of contrasting examples to make the things clear. So we have discussed questions related to weights. Now we'll discuss questions related to capacity. So we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. The first question on capacity is 2 liter 78 milliliter is equal to how much milliliter in total? So 2 liter 78 milliliter. So this 2 liter is actually equal to also equal to 2000 milliliter, as because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, 2 liter can be written as 2 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 2000 milliliters is rewritten over here, and we have got 78 ml extra. So 2000 plus 78 equal to 2078 or 2078 ml, 2078 milliliter. Next question is 2 liter 780 milliliter. So 2 liter is 2000 milliliter. Now instead of 78 milliliter we will add 780 milliliter. Why we are adding these two? As because these two are expressed in same units, that is milliliters. 2000 plus 780 is 2780 ml. Please see the contrasting nature of these questions. This is 78 milliliter. This is 780 milliliter. Whenever you see 2 liter 78 milliliter, then you may by mistake rush to answer this question like this, 2780 milliliter. Now if you do this will be totally wrong, because 78 is going to be added to the, will take the tens and units place. Please try to understand this thing. And the last question is 2 liter 8 milliliter only. So 2 liter is 2000 milliliter and plus 8 milliliter. So 8 is going to be at the units place. So This is equal to 2008 milliliter. So this is 2008 milliliter. It is a common nature of many students that they feel overconfident and they may rush to write 2 liter 8 milliliter to 2800 milliliter, which is completely wrong. So you should understand, practice more and more so that you arrive at right answers correctly, and these should go very fast inside your head, and you should be able to do the other way around also. 2078 milliliter. This 2078 milliliter can be written as 2000 milliliter and 78 milliliter. As we have written over here, you have to go the reverse way, and this 2000 milliliter is equal to 2 liter and 78 milliliter equal to 78 milliliter, and therefore 2000 ml 78 milliliter can be written as 2 liter 78 milliliter. Similarly, you can go for the other questions. So we have discussed capacity also. Now let us discuss questions related to distance. What are the units of distances? We have got kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and we also know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Based on the knowledge of these facts, we have to solve the questions. So 4 kilometer 730 meter is equal to 4 kilometer 730 kilometer. 4 kilometer 730 meter. This 4 kilometer is equal to how much meters? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So 4 kilometer equal to 4 times 1000 meters plus 730 meters. So 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 meters, and we have got 730 meters extra. These two are of same units, so we can add them. We arrive at 4730 meter. 4730 meter. How to go the reverse way? What we will do? We see here it is 4730 meters. So this is 4000 plus 730 meter. So this 4000 meter can be written as 4 kilometer and 730 meters. So next is 4 kilometer 730 meters. So I will solve it over here. So 4 kilometer means 4000 meter and 73 meter is 4073 meter. Please see the contrast. It is 4730 meter. This is 4073 meter. Again and again I am telling you, don't rush after seeing such conversions. You should not write 4 kilometer 730 meter as 4730 meter. Please pay attention, this is 73 meter. So this will go to tens and units place, to the units and tens place only. To go the reverse way, this 4073 can be written as 4000 meter and 73 meter. 4000 meter is equivalent to 4 kilometer and 73 meter. So you can go the reverse way also. Next is 4 kilometer 7 meter. This is solved over here. So 4 kilometer 7 meter. So this is equal to 4000 meter plus 7 meter. So 7 takes only the units place. So this 7004. This is 4007 meter. This is 4007 meter. 1000 milliliter, and we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So these conversions are very similar. That means not only similar, but the conversions are similar. they are same. The thing is that on the left hand side we have got kg, liter and kilometer, and on the right hand side we have got gram, milliliter and meter. And therefore to carry out conversion from kg to gram, conversion from liter to milliliter and conversion from kilometer to meter are exactly same. If you go from kg to gram, or you go from liter to milliliter, or kilometer to meter, and vice versa, and the reverse way, the calculations are exactly same, only you have to take care of the units. So these fact can be illustrated in a better way if you see this particular table. So please try to do this as fast as possible with me. First of all, pause this video over here and try to solve this all by yourself and feel the similarity. So I hope you have paused the video now. I hope you have solved the questions correctly. So here it's 3500 gram equals to dash kg dash gram. So 3005 gram is equal to 3000 gram plus 5 gram. This can be written as 3 kg, as because 3000 gram is equal to 3 kg, and so we can write 3 kg and 5 gram. This is first one. The second one will be 3000 gram plus 50 gram, which can be written as 3 kg 50 gram. So this is 3 kg 50 gram. 3000, so you write 3000 plus 50. And last one, we have got 3500 gram. This is the easiest one. So 3000 gram plus 500 gram. This can be broken to these 2 grams, and 3000 gram equal to 3 kg 500 gram. You can write 3 kg 500 grams. See, please notice the contrasting nature of these conversions also. Here it is 5, it's 50, it's 500, 5 it shifted towards the left. And please notice the change over here when you break this down to kg and grams. Next, 3005 milliliter. 3005 milliliter is written as 3000 milliliter plus 5 milliliter, which is equal to 3 liter 5 milliliter. So 3 liter 5 milliliter. You can arrive these questions by division also. 3005 milliliter divided by 1000 will give you 3 as the quotient and 5 as the remainder. This is the bigger unit, 3 liter, and this is the smaller unit, 5 milliliter. This is how also this is the way you can solve such questions. But I don't think you need to carry out this division, because doing this way mentally is much more easier. 3050 milliliter, without doing this you can say 3050 milliliter. So there is a 3000 which is equal to 3 liter 50 milliliter. You can directly write over here. Next, 3500. So 3000 means 3 liter, and we are left with 500 milliliter. Similarly, very similarly, we have got the distances. 3005 meter is 3 kilometer 5 meter. 3050 meter 3 kilometer 50 meter. 3500 meter, it's 3 kilometer 500 meter. So we can see that on the right hand side and on the left hand side and the right hand side of each table, whether it is distance, whether it is weight, measurement of weight, or measurement of capacity, or measurement of distance, in each of the table you see the left hand side the numbers, the figures are same: 3005, 3005, 3005, 3050, 3050, 3050, and on the last row we have got 3500 on all the columns. Only the differences are the units. Here it's gram and kg, here it's milliliter and liter, here it's meter and kilometer. But the figures on the right hand side are also similar. Why they are similar? Here it is 3 kg, 5 gram, 3 liter, 5 milliliter, 3 kilometer, 5 meter. 3500 gram is 3 kg, 500 gram. 3500 milliliter is 3 liter, 500 milliliter. 3500 meter is 3 kilometer, 500 meter. So figures are same, only the units are different. Why these are same? Because of the reason that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. I hope you have understood the similarities of these calculations. Please revisit this video if you have not understood it well, and keep practicing such questions. My suggestion to teachers and parents to give such type of similar questions so that the students can themselves figure out the similarities and the differences between such calculations as I have shown it here. Thank you. Keep practicing with Decode Monk.